Hi. I am Norbot, Nanobot's team's official narrator. Welcome to eGovOffice application, the future for government management. Bringing all information for administration at your fingertips with accuracy and efficiency. Currently, our system is capable of managing human resources, inventory assets, and digitized documents, and that's just the start of it. Human Resource Management. Spend no more than 5 minutes filling out the personal details of an employee, which generates a complete employee profile just like in social media, along with their personal file automatically added via our document management system. The personal file updates all their personal details, including their training experiences, work history, leaves, loans, transport and asset usage automatically. It's almost Facebook but dedicated to their office life. Leave management. Requesting leaves does not require all the paperwork anymore. It's simple as selecting the leave type, then adding up the dates. And it's all in the mobile as well, so no matter where you are, you can work from anywhere. All details of your leaves will be automatically added up to reports, and the HR room team no longer have to go through piles of paper to find your leave requests. They might even not look angry anymore when you take leaves because it's all done by the system. Attendance and overtime. Employees just have to remember to always scan their fingerprint when they get to the office in the morning and when they leave in the evening every day. Early arrivals, late arrivals, and even overtime are automatically calculated and sent to the HR team. Training management. With the system, the HR team is able to determine which exams and training should an employee receive and set them up. Employees are also able to request that they need some training, share a link to the HR team or a PDF leaflet of a course. Once the administrators approve the training, the employee's leaves are automatically added and approved as well. Once the employee complete the training, their certificates are added to their profile. Maybe the administrators could also add up a cool badge to the employee's profile to appreciate their dedication. Loan management. We understand that everyone needs some monetary help once in a while, and it's the duty of a good HR team to make sure that the employee in need would not have to go through a lot of hassle and get it to them as soon as possible, while making sure the company is not going to make losses. The system does just that. No more taking days to look through old files, filing files up for authentication and waiting for weeks. It's simple as completing a checklist where the system brings up the details of old loans, current salary details, leaves, transfers, and all other relevant information for the administrator. Agreements are automatically filled up where the team will only require to get the signatures of the employee and guarantors. Also, the HR team don't need to keep reminding anyone to approve their loan request. The system will be doing that for them by sending notifications to the respective administrators. Transfers and Carter. Transferring an employee to 2 different government departments using the eGov system will ensure that their profile is safely transferred to the other department to carry on there. Even if the department didn't have the eGov system, the HR can always simply print out the entire file and offer it to the respective employee. Task management. Administration officers are able to assign tasks to the users under their supervision and track their performance. This is easily linked with a document management where the employees are assigned with letters and files they are required to manage. The administrator could simply view their work and even comment on their progress. Inventory and assets management. Keeping track of all the stuff is a headache itself. What is worse is having to go through all the paperwork and spend so much time unnecessarily moving from one place to another. That's not the case anymore with this new system. Stock management. All inventory assets can be tracked as to where it goes, where it's stocked, expiry dates, etc. Requesting inventory and tracking where it goes, to whom, why, and how much it costs per month to maintain stock can be viewed with just a few clicks on your mobile. Managing the inventory flow is made much more accurate and the time spent reduced to only a few minutes. No more spending days checking stock to get down reports, everything is automatically generated with your own custom reports. Fixed asset management. Get reminded when you need to conduct maintenance of a fixed asset. Track where the asset is, and who is currently using it. Transport management. All the trips the employees take on is recorded with the reasons and the cost of travel so that the transport administrator only needs to check the system-generated report to make decisions. Vehicle maintenance details updated for each time the vehicle is checked into a garage, how much they spent refueling, routes the vehicle has taken and details of the driver allow the system to provide an entire log report of the vehicle. Halls and auditoriums. Reserve a room, hall or booking a company-owned property for an event is all made easy via the application. Detailed reports for each property, including monitoring whether the maintenance schedules are kept up with, can be viewed by the administrator. Document management system. In a world where searching for information is all compacted to one smart device, it's really inconvenient to spend hours searching for a document, diving through piles of files in large file archives that take up entire rooms, making the office space look tedious. What if all contents in those files are in your mobile or laptop? Our document management does just that. Fast and easy way to manage all documents. You don't even have to be in the office to view all the letters, add minutes, create reply letters, and you don't even have to be there to put your signature on a document. Archives. Scan all the old documents and upload it all onto the system to digitalize the entire file archive and save all that money and time you have to spend to maintain an entire archive of files, because you can always just print away whichever the file that's required in a matter of seconds. Do not worry, not even a fire can burn down those files once you digitize them. Postal mail. All the daily mail you get will no longer be piled up next to your desk. Instead, all those will be in your computer screen for you to just view, add minutes, and do whatever the usual tasks you're responsible for. Administrators can even track where the mail is, who is currently managing the task, and see what's the status of its reply. Yeah, no more idling, no more mails lost, no more keeping the mails in the pile for weeks because the clock starts ticking the moment the user is assigned with the file. Document create. But do not worry, wherever you are you can simply look up the assigned documents to you and create your own documents using the Document Creator feature, which contains all the essential functions you use on Word right within the application. The best part is, it even works in your mobile, so it's like Word on your mobile, and you can also simply click the sign button to add your signature onto the document to make it official. This is our project to bring the technology of the future to our motherland. Why stress out at work spending too much time and effort doing things that only requires a simple click of a button? Spend each minute doing something that matters, be creative and smile more, let the machines do the dirty work that doesn't require your beautiful brain to function. Nanobots IT Solutions, we make working fun.